Look at this tree in my front yard. Isn't it just gorgeous? Oh my goodness. It's just breathtaking. Good morning. It is Monday morning and we have a rather rainy day today. But can you see this beautiful tree in my front yard? It's so gorgeous. Oh, I just love it. So anyways, I am sitting in my car, obviously, because I am on my way to go do some grocery shopping. But first, I am going to meet my sister at the thrift store because today is also Columbus Day and they are having a 50% off sale. So we figured we might as well go see what they have at the thrift store for us to pick up today, and then we'll go do some grocery shopping. Which reminds me, I need to go get bags. Oh, good thing I remembered. Alright, so I will check in with you later. The girls are all in school, and I'm going to get some shopping done, get some work done around the house, and just kind of putz around and hopefully turn this rainy day into a very productive day. You guys gonna go out in the rain? Gotta go out there and go potty. Oh, he's breathing it. Raymond's still not going out in it. Good job, Benny. Did you go out in the rain? Did you go out in the rain? Yeah, that was a good puppy. Yeah, that was a good puppy. Now it's Raymond's turn to go out in the rain. It's time to go out in the rain, Raymond. Alright, should we go inside? Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday morning, and it is finally not raining. It has been raining every single day this week, I think since like last Friday. I don't know. My hair is just not looking good today. Anyways, I'm trying to wear it down because it's not hot out. I hate wearing my hair down. Anyways, today is Thursday. The kids are at school. Emily may have to go to work tonight. Zoe does not have volleyball tonight, which is awesome. I am just really trying to get my fall decorations done so I can post that tomorrow on Friday. I still have to hang laundry. And I have a whole bunch of other things I want to get done today. But yeah. And it is also Thursday, which I normally go to the thrift store today. But I'm not sure if I'm going to go today because I actually went on Monday because they had a 50% off sale. But I only found like 2 things. So I may go today. I'm not sure. I really shouldn't because I have so much to do. But I think I might anyways. But it's definitely not a day to be outside. It is super duper windy. And it's still really cold. I woke up this morning. I think it was only 43 degrees. I don't think it's supposed to get much warmer. Which is okay. I like it when it's cool, but I like it like in the 50s. It'd be nice if we could have a couple more days in the 50s. That would be really nice. So, yeah. So that is what's happening today. Just a lot of just little putsy stuff around the house for me. And, yeah. Not going to be a very exciting day, I don't think. So, I guess I will check in with you later. Bye. Alright, so I got my work done super duper fast today. So now I get to go to the thrift store. So excited. I'm going to make it super duper quick though. It's already 11:30 and I want to get home in about a half hour because I want a nap today. So last night I didn't get much sleep. I was asleep for like an hour and then I'd wake up for 2 hours and then I'd go back to sleep. So I'm tired. I'd like a nap today. So I'm going to see if I can get the thrift store done really super fast. Hello there, it is the afternoon already. I just got back from doing some running around. I picked up Emily and then I went over to my sister's house to get her son off the bus because she had her other son at a doctor's appointment. And then after that, Emily and I went to Target real quick. She needed to pick up a few things for work tomorrow. So that was like very exciting. And I'm going to show you what I found at Target. It's so adorable. It was in the kids section. And I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. It might be too cutesy and little kiddish, but I love it. Here we go. I'll show you. Alright, so this is what I found. Isn't this adorable? Oh my goodness, I just love it so much. It was in like the kids bedding section. Kind of like an end cap. They had a whole bunch of like little like Halloween blankets. And I had a couple other little pillows, like maybe a bat pillow, I think. Something else, but I just thought this was super cute. I just think it's adorable. I like carried it around the store and like petted it the whole time I was in the store. It was so funny. So anyways, this is what I got. And then this is the one thing that I picked up at the thrift store today, which I'll definitely show at Thrift Store Thursday. But I thought these were super duper cute. These are Syracuse China. Which is also the brand of these little plates that I got that I love so much. I wish these, of course, had the red on them, but I thought they were super cute. I have no idea what I'm going to use them for. I'm assuming they're like little creamer cups that they would give you cream for your coffee in at the restaurants. So I just thought they were adorable. I love that there was 2 of them. And I don't know, it'd be kind of cute to use them for different things around the house. Maybe put syrup in it or honey or something. I don't know. Probably never do that, but I thought they were adorable. So, of course, I had to get them. Oh, and then I also picked up this little bag. What do you call it? Bag full of, like, baby toys, which is what I've been buying for the dogs for toys. They love, like, baby toy rattles and stuff like that. And this one was filled with, like, had little squishy cloth balls. So there was 2 of the balls and then like a rattle and then like these little balls here. So I think these I'll just thrift back to the store. So I don't want them to, this is like a foam one. And this one's got beans in it, so I don't want them to have that one. But, so then I got the puppies a new toys too. And look at the Benny. How's Benny doing? Oh, Benny just had a treat, didn't you? Yeah. Benny's looking for some food. So is Rima. You looking for some food, Rima? Alright, we'll get you guys fed. Isn't that pillow so cute? Oh my goodness, I just love it so much. I love black cats. I love using them at Halloween time. I just think they're so much fun. So that's like my thing for Halloween. I'm not into ghosts and all that kind of stuff, but I like black cats. So I was just so excited. I'm so tickled about this. I think I'm actually going to put it, I can't decide if I'm going to put it in my living room or if I'm going to put it as like an accent pillow on my bed. I think that's probably what I'll use it for. But oh, I love it. So, today is Saturday, and as you can see, we had a volleyball game. It was bright and early this morning at 7:30, so now it is a little before 10, and we are home. And I am going to round up a few things and then head to Mom's house for the day. I'm going to go help her do some yard work or whatever she needs me to help her with, and then maybe work in the shed as well. So that is my plan for today. Emily has to work again tonight, so I'll be home in time to pick her up tonight after work, which is not done till 12:30? Yeah, because it's Saturday. But she had her first day of work yesterday, and she got to be a zombie, and she got to work in the maze, and she's pretty excited about it. So, day 2 of work for her today. So, yeah. So, I don't know what the rest of the family is going to do today, but I'll be at Mom's. Huh? Look at my backyard. It has gotten covered in leaves in the last day. This whole tree is pretty much dropped all in one day. So I'm going to have to deal with that tomorrow. It's a beautiful day today. It's clear skies and sunny. And the puppies are having fun. Don't drink that water, Icky. It's got leaves in it. The poor puppies haven't been outside. It's either been raining or cold. I have made it to Mom's. The drive was so beautiful. The trees in this area are just gorgeous right now. All the yellows are in full form, and oh, it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous! So I am going to go inside and see if I can find Mom. I have no idea where she is, so we'll see what she's up to. Bye. Oh, the goodness. It's going on? It is snowing, folks. Do you see that? Snow. Oh my goodness gracious. What's happening, puppies? It's snowing. Come on, let's go and go potty. I'm freaking out about the snow. What do you think? What is going on? It's been snowing for about a half hour now. Nice big fluffy flakes. Not quite sure that I'm ready for this, folks. Craziness. I was going to do some yard work today. We need to pick up our leaves. Look at all those leaves out there. So I'm hoping it's not going to snow too much more. So it would be nice to get them picked up today because tomorrow is garbage day. Puppies are starting to bite.